As you all know, I've been going through a tough week, few tough weeks, but we're not here to talk about that at this point. I made a promise to give surveys that I'll be here, and I'm the person that always comes through. So, for me, I've represented different schools and institutions at the Gibson Rays. I started out at Williamson, high performance, and then research chapter. And for me, going to the Gibson Rays is always one of the things that we look forward to as a team, because it's always so much fun. And if anybody follows me knows that I'm always saying relays are always the favorite part of running for me, because I get to do to that team, and for me it's like representing Jamaica fully, not just an individual team, but as a team. Gibson Relay is always exciting because there's so much rival, and it builds up the energy going into Boys and Girls Championship. So for me, it's always a pleasure competing. It's been highs and lows at Gibson Razor for me. I think for William, it was very sad because I didn't win anything there. But at high performance and research track club, I've won a few because the rivalry between MVP and research track club was at the height back in the days at Gibson. We always look forward to that high level of competition. So for me, I know that the kids definitely look forward to Gibson, and I've been there since I retired and seen the energy that and the excitement on their face and the effort that they put out. For me, seeing the kids and going and seeing the energy that they put in to get into the high level and competing at Gibson Relay is always a great feeling to see what the future holds, because of what we have done leading up to this point. I've seen the young kids and they have worked hard, and I look forward to seeing where they go in the future, but I think Gibson Relay plays a very important role in getting into the high level. In ending, I just want to say to Jamaica that no matter what's going on right now, Jamaica is my country, and it will never change. And I'll always love my country and always do everything in my power to uplift this country, no matter what's going on.